Namaste. Veda teacher Sri Damrik Sai has been teaching Vedas in India and abroad. His unique way of teaching Vedas has helped many people to chant Vedas with perfect intonation. In the 3 months beginner's course, he will be covering Ganapati Prarthana, Saraswati Prarthana, Kshama Prarthana, Swasti Vachan, Guru Shishya Prarthana, Samana Suktam, Sarva Devata Gayatri, Mantra Pushpam, Atma Suktam, Medha Suktam, Vastu Suktam, Udaka Shanti Mantra, Prokshana Mantra and Neela Suktam.